So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to download a file from Drive. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Drive app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. So this is the very first video which I want to download it on my gallery. So click on three dots here and you can see the option called download. Tap on it. Now your file has been downloaded. Now go on gallery and here is the video which you have downloaded recently from Drive. So that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.